Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about top safety tips about electrical. You must want to know when you start electric work. So first step is that we must see our MCB panel and turn off all MCB switch. Step 2, we want to use proper insulated gloves and tools for better safety. Step 3 is very important. Avoid water and other liquids too near electric wires. It's be dangerous. Step 4. Check cables and wires carefully. If damaged, repair them. Step 5. Never overload circuits. Use correct fuse and breakers. Stay alert and use proper PPE. Use glasses, gloves and shoes. For more electric tips, subscribe my channel.